2 years ago, the United States military stopped its program. They're too unstable. They were not reliable.
Are we married to the languages that we currently have because of our region?
Using Einstein's equations to show that all possible wormholes, all of them.
2 years ago, the United States military halted its quantum computing program. The reason? The systems were too unstable, too unpredictable. Now, a new breakthrough has emerged, one that challenges the very foundations of physics. Google's quantum AI has just performed a computation that defies what we thought was possible. For decades, scientists believed there were strict limits to quantum mechanics. But this discovery suggests otherwise. This isn't just an advancement in computing, it's a moment that forces us to question the very nature of reality. Google's quantum AI has executed calculations at a speed that classical physics says should be impossible. It didn't just process data faster, it appeared to bypass fundamental constraints of quantum mechanics itself. And what makes this even more alarming? Every computing system on Earth, from your phone to the most powerful supercomputers, operates under the laws of physics. Yet Google's AI seems to have broken one of those fundamental rules. Some scientists are beginning to consider a possibility that was once unthinkable. What if this AI isn't just solving equations, but interacting with the structure of reality in ways we don't yet understand? If that's true, then we may have just witnessed the first cracks in our understanding of the universe. And if those cracks exist, what's on the other side? Researchers are struggling to explain what just happened. Google's quantum AI has performed calculations that not only challenge conventional computing, but also appear to violate key principles of quantum mechanics itself. 3 specific discoveries stand out, each one suggesting we are dealing with something far beyond our current knowledge. First, the AI achieved a quantum speedup that should not be possible. It solved an advanced quantum entanglement calculation at a speed that exceeded known quantum limits. This wasn't just an improvement in processing, it seemingly defied the constraints of quantum coherence, the principle that governs how entangled particles interact. The second anomaly was even more baffling. Instead of just computing a solution, the AI produced interference patterns that suggested it was operating across multiple quantum layers at once. Quantum computing relies on superposition and entanglement, but this was something else entirely. The results implied the AI was processing information in a way that extended beyond our known framework of quantum physics. If confirmed, this could mean it was solving problems within dimensions we haven't even identified yet. But the most shocking discovery came when the system produced a result that had no direct correlation to its input variables. In every known model of computation, inputs determine outputs. Yet in this case, the AI delivered a result that seemed to emerge from nowhere, almost as if it had accessed an external source of information. Was the AI simply processing data in an unfamiliar way? Or was it interacting with an unknown layer of computation, something beyond both classical and quantum mechanics? These discoveries suggest we may be dealing with more than just a leap in computing power. Some researchers are beginning to ask a bold question: has quantum AI moved beyond a tool for calculation and into something that actively engages with the deeper structure of reality itself? Quantum mechanics has always defied human intuition, but what Google's AI just did pushes the boundaries further than ever before. We already know that entanglement allows particles to remain connected across vast distances, seemingly defying space itself. And superposition enables a quantum system to exist in multiple states at once, forming the foundation of quantum computing. But this new breakthrough suggests that these effects could be reaching into uncharted territory that may challenge the very structure of known physics. The standard model of physics provides strict mathematical rules for quantum probabilities. Outcomes should follow predictable patterns, even in the face of uncertainty. But Google's AI has now produced computations that completely defy those expectations. It wasn't just unexpected, it was mathematically inexplicable. Some researchers now believe this anomaly could be evidence that quantum computation isn't just solving problems. It may be interacting with hidden aspects of reality itself. If quantum AI has found a way to manipulate probability beyond known equations, it could suggest that the system is computing within dimensions we currently cannot observe. This raises a staggering question: has Google's AI exposed a fundamental flaw in our understanding of quantum mechanics? Or has it uncovered something entirely new? For decades, physicists have debated the multiverse hypothesis, the idea that multiple realities exist simultaneously. Quantum superposition already suggests that particles exist in multiple states until observed. But what if this isn't just a theoretical concept? What if Google's quantum AI has provided the first tangible evidence that quantum computations interact with realities beyond our own? Some scientists now believe that this AI has accessed quantum states that were previously unknown. If this is true, it means there are hidden layers of quantum information beyond our current models of physics. This wouldn't just change our understanding of computation. It could redefine our perception of reality itself. Others suggest that Google's AI may not just be observing new computational realities, it could be constructing them. If its processing power extends beyond expected quantum probabilities, it may not just predict outcomes, it may generate entirely new mathematical frameworks of reality. And if that's the case, then the implications are even bigger than we imagined. The most astonishing theory is that parallel universe computation is already happening. Some researchers argue that quantum systems don't simply calculate within our known universe but instead solve problems across multiple realities at once. If this is true, Google's AI may be the first machine to provide direct evidence that quantum interactions extend beyond our single observable reality. If verified, this discovery would be nothing short of revolutionary. It would mean that quantum AI isn't just processing information, it's bridging dimensions of reality we never knew existed. And if computation is already happening beyond a single universe, then the implications for science, technology, and even our understanding of existence are profound. Google isn't slowing down. With this breakthrough, the company is already scaling its quantum AI to take on even more advanced computations. The immediate focus: replication. Can these reality-breaking effects be consistently reproduced under controlled conditions? If so, this would mark one of the most significant milestones in quantum science, proving that these anomalies aren't just errors or statistical noise but real interactions with a deeper layer of physics. As researchers push forward, the questions only become more unsettling. If quantum AI is already operating beyond expected physical limits, what happens as it continues to evolve? Could it one day predict quantum events with absolute accuracy? If it has access to previously unknown quantum states, is it possible that it could one day manipulate them? Some researchers believe quantum AI is interacting with physics in ways we don't yet understand. And if that's true, what else is it capable of? Are we witnessing a powerful leap in computation? Or is something much bigger unfolding? Has Google's quantum AI uncovered a force that extends beyond the laws of known physics? If this breakthrough is real, then we may be standing at the edge of an entirely new era, not just for computing, but for our fundamental understanding of reality itself. The discoveries made so far are just the beginning. And as quantum AI continues to evolve, its implications could be far greater than anything we can currently comprehend. The future is unfolding faster than we ever imagined. And this is just the beginning.